Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. In the past 1 year, I have shared you guys my profits, my losses, and also my dream trading desk setup. All these are fine, but I really wanted to share you guys something that I've been doing for the first 3 to 4 years, which I think played a major role in doing whatever I'm doing right now. So basically, I have been reading books, financial related books, even when I was in college, and I stumbled across a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad, which kind of blown my mind back then, because that book really changed the way that I looked at finance, and I followed whatever he taught me, and I had very little understanding about finance before that book. Once I got into a job, almost 90% of my income were into trading related stuff. It's not just trading, it's more into learning as well. I invested in my seminars, I invested in courses, books, TradingView plans. Like I had to pay 3,000 every month for TradingView, which was a huge money for me back then. I just knew that it's gonna pay off some way, and it definitely paid me off. So once I got into a job, I was sure that I'm gonna use only things that I really need. No materialistic things, no credit cards, no unnecessary cars or bikes, and I did not use even any fancy gadgets or something. I was just using the normal routine things that a normal guy would use, and even after 4 years I was using the same bike that my dad bought me when I was in college. So this is the bike, and even my office mates used to call me Kanjus because I did not spend anything other than trading related things, because they were not aware of what I was doing as far as trading is concerned. And I didn't go to any theater, I didn't spend money on there was a time where I didn't even spend money on recharging my mobile for a couple of months, because back then for incoming calls it's free, and it's only if I have to call I have to recharge, right? Yeah, that was quite over, too much of doing, but I just did it anyway. After a point of time, after investing a lot in my seminars, or investing in a lot of books and investing in courses, foreign courses, everything, it became frustrating after 2 years because I was not seeing any results. And only after 2019 I started to see that compounding magic. Whatever that I've been working for the first 3 years, I didn't see any major progress in what I was doing in terms of trading, and only after 3 years I started to see the compounding. The reason why I'm doing this video is it's not about the strategy, it's not about learning the right techniques, it's not just that, it's about the whole lifestyle, how you're doing it. Right from the beginning I was living under the means. I did not spend anything, and I also did not spend anything on my dress. If you look at my last year YouTube video, if you look at the way I dressed, you would know my dressing sense. And I did not spend money on anything that is costing me huge. So the only two things that I spent most is on food and travel. So these are the things that I can never exclude from my life, that gets me going. So if you are someone who has been working and who has been trading for more than 1.5 years, and still if you don't see any results, please don't worry, I have been in the same situation. It's just how it works. For the first 3 years I did not see any progress, and that's how it's supposed to be. And the compounding works only after 3 years. To me it was 3 years, and it could be 2 years also for you. But don't just give up yet. No matter how much you hustle, no matter how much you hard work, no matter how much time you put in the trading, sometimes it takes time, and that's how the compounding works. At one point of time it will just go up and up, and you will progress like anything after a point of time. This is how it worked for me. One advice that I would give for college students and office goers is that please do not overspend, or please do not buy any expensive gadgets or something for now, first just 2 or 3 years. And after that, once you get successful in trading, you can buy whatever the hell you want, and you are going to be the king. So basically these are the things that I spent money on, and these are the things that I avoided to spend money on. And this is what I really wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you liked it and find it useful. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also click that bell notification for more videos. Thank you so much.